your handle, your kitchen faucet handle is loose. Now look at this, I'm going up and down, there's no tension, and I can pull it out here, it's not too bad, but check it out. If I put it up top, it drops down, all right? So let me show you how to fix this. It's actually not too difficult. Okay, you see this hole here? There's a screw in there. What you're gonna do is get a hex key, okay? Allen wrench, whatever you're calling it. You're gonna find the appropriate size. Now for this one, I think my key says 3/32. I don't have my glasses on. Laugh all you want. But anyway, you're gonna stick that in the hole, okay? And you're gonna find where it gets a grip. And sometimes that takes a second. There you go, okay? And then you're just going to tighten it up, just like you would do a loose screw. And the best thing to do is hold the handle in while doing this, all right? So that way you're tightening it in up as close as it can get to the faucet itself. All right, and I'll take that out. We'll do one more. All right, do that. Tighten it down once more. And now let's look at the finished product. Now look, holding it up here, no problem. Goes on and off. The handle's not flopping anywhere. Good to go. Hopefully that helped. I'll catch everyone in the next video.